Resh, wonderful to have you with us again. A year that it's been since I remember having the call with you, and you really wanted to make the online happen. Just remind me, take us back a year ago. Where were you kind of client numbers, revenue-wise, and what does that look like now, just in terms of clients and revenue as well?
Well, I think when I started, I was probably coaching about 3 or 4 one-to-ones at the time, and my average monthly revenue was averaging between 1,500 to 2,000 a month. Well, now I'm at a stage where the last 3 months I've earned at least 10,000. This month I'm edging towards 9,000. And I think for me, the biggest thing that I struggled with was knowing where to go with what I had. And obviously not being so one-on-one, but actually being able to help more people and building from there.
And you are also in another profession, which I think is very important because a lot of people are trying to find that transition. Your current profession right now, alongside your online coaching?
Yeah, so I'm a GP, 2
Yeah,
days
yeah,
a week.
yeah.
Was 3 days a week.
And that has brought with it its own complications and challenges while you're navigating that journey. What has been the biggest personal shift for you throughout this journey?
I think for me, it's been the belief that I'm actually able to juggle the two, be able to be a GP, but also have a business that I can build on, and having that belief that I can do this and this is something that is achievable for me. Personal development, self-belief, limiting beliefs, we've discussed this before. Just knowing that this is something that I actually can do. It's been a massive game changer for me.
And we talked about professional growth and development throughout this process. What's been the most important professional change that you've noticed over the last year?
I think one of the biggest things that I think shifted for me is, I'm here to provide a good service to people. It's those standards, standards in my content, reaching out to the people that I think that are going to benefit from my help, but also within my coaching, coaching my clients, just delivering a 5-star service.
Getting out of your own way, upping the standards of your service has taken you from a couple of K a month all the way to 10K a month. You're at a point now, do you have the belief that this is something that is scalable from here?
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, I'm excited about what the future actually looks like to me.
From when you weren't to now, I'd say that's one hell of a transformation.
Yeah, it is.
I'm very happy for you.
Thank you.